Hey, what's up my good people? Welcome guys to PK channel. Kindly guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. In case you are looking for a way you can be able to make some passive income that is online, I'll actually be introducing some of the platforms that you can actually be able to visit and create a profile and be able to make some passive income. It's actually very easy. So all you need to do is just stay tuned and subscribe to this channel so that anytime we release any new update, you'll always be informed. So what will I be introducing today? So what I'll be introducing today is a platform where you can be able to go, you can be able to visit that platform, go and create a profile depending on the skills that you have and be able to make some passive income. Which is that platform? The platform is Fiverr. I have actually been working on Fiverr for quite some time now. Actually, this is my I think the second year that I'm working on Fiverr platform, and actually on this platform I have actually been able to make quite some good amount of money. I work that is on Fiverr on full time. I also do some blogging on some website. I'll actually also be teaching on how you can be able to optimize your website, how you can be able to monetize your website and be able to make some money out of your website. It's actually very easy. But for today, in today's video, I'll actually be introducing you to Fiverr platform. So what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a freelancing platform that is actually owned by the people who own this platform comes from Israel and its headquarters are based in Tel Aviv. But actually this platform is an amazing platform, the best platform that I have ever come across, that you can be able to market your skills. So the skills that you can be able to market on this platform, we have like the graphic design. As you can see on my screen, you have the graphic design, and under graphic design there are so many categories. You can actually visit this platform and see what you can be able to do. So we have graphic and design, we have programming and tech, we have digital marketing, video and animation, that is writing and translation, music videos, business. We also have data, photography and AI services. There are so many stuff that you can be able to do on this platform. Personally, what I normally do, depending on the skills that you have, you can actually be able to create any gig. Let's say for example you are good in paraphrasing, you are good in let's say for example editing, that is editing, doing what you call the paper research. You are good in video editing, that is creating music, video animations. For example, you are good in let's say managing social media accounts. You can actually be able to create an account on this platform and be able to get those orders and actually make some money. So I have actually there's a new account that I'll be taking you through on how you can be able to create how you can be able to create a gig and optimize a gig until you get your first order. So I'll actually show you that is a gig that I just created like I think it's about now a week, and actually I've actually been able to receive my first order. So I'll take you through the whole process, how you can be able to create a gig, how you can be able to optimize, how you can be able to create thumbnails that will actually be able to attract the clients who will come and place orders in your account. Then from there, after you optimize your gig, how can you be able to manage orders that you receive? Then from there, the account will actually pick and you'll actually be getting orders automatically and be able to make a living out of Fiverr. So I'll actually be switching this actually what you can see here, there's a buyer account, there's a buyer profile, so buyer account. So I just need to switch to selling, meaning that now I am switching from being a seller, that is from a buyer to a seller. So this is actually my profile. In case for example you are there and you need for example some of the services that I provide, you can actually go on Fiverr and actually search for my profile, that is the seniors, and place some orders. What I normally do on Fiverr, I normally do that is editing, that is graphics editing. For example, you have an image that you want edited, background removed, for example retouching and all those stuffs. For example, there are some details that you want edited in a certain photo. You can actually just place the order that is on my account and I can actually be able to deliver. So that is how you those are some of the stuff I do. I also do what you call the logo design. I'm perfect in Photoshop, so I'm actually marketing my Photoshop skills. So actually these are a new account, and I have actually been able to create 3 gigs, and on this account have been able to deliver I think around 9 orders in total by now. and these gigs I created about a week ago. So and within no time, for example, by the time we are ending, that is by the end of the month, I actually have been able to deliver that is I have actually been able to create a good profile with good ratings. So as you can see on my profile currently, I do have that is 3 orders, and you can see that it's a new account, and I'm getting quite some good impressions. So I'll be training you on how you can go to create a gig, how you can optimize, how you can create those thumbnails that will actually attract your clients until you get your first client. So this is my first gig, which is on how you can do you can add or remove objects, people, and do Photoshop editing. So first, we also have my second gig where I do professional, unique 3D, modern business logo design. And as you can see, if you can check that gig, actually, this one there, it's just right here. You can see I have been able to deliver that is 8 orders in total. I have been able to deliver 8 orders in total for the last period of I think almost a week now. I have been delivered 8 orders in total, as you can see here. And as you can see now, for my second gig, which is this one, this one, I have been able to deliver that is 1 order. That is this gig is around like 3 or 4 days. I have been able to deliver 1 order, as you can see here, and I got a 5-star. Then there's another gig that I just created recently, and for this gig I haven't yet received any nobody has placed order for this gig. So actually, for all these three gigs, I'll take you through the process on how I created this gig, how I optimized them until how I got my first order. Then we'll also be doing something we'll be monitoring the progress of this account and see the progress of this account, how I'm actually receiving clients, and how I'm actually delivering that is some of the orders I receive to an extent that to a point that this account I'm actually trying to manage this account so that every day I'll be able to get at least 5 to 10 orders every day. And it's like, if you can check on this account here, this one, you can see I have a very amazing thumbnail, that is a logo. I also have a second logo here that I have designed, and a third one, and this is the order that I recently delivered. As you can see here, the order that I delivered is something related to real estate, and it's actually an amazing logo. The client wanted something that is a mock-up. As you can see here, the basic is $30, standard is $60, and premium is $100. Actually, for example, that is on the at the basic, if every day I can go to get at least 2 orders, it means every day I'll be making that is $60. $60 is good amount of money. That is with the current economy, that is the current global economy. $60 is a quite amount of money, depending on your location. For example, myself, I live in Kenya, and in Kenya $60 is quite amount of, that is equivalent to almost 10,000 every day. And by the end of the month, I'll have at least, that is over 300,000. That is equivalent to, I think, 3,000 USDT, which is good amount of money for a beginner. So actually, if this order can be getting that is 2 orders, then this one I also get 2 orders every day, and the basic is $20. So by every day, it means I'll be for this gig, for this order, this gig, I'll be getting 40. Then we also have this one, which is $5. Let's say, assuming I get 2, so every day I get 10. So that is 60 plus 40, that is 100, and plus 10. So I'll be getting 100, and I'm in a position to make $110 every day. So that's good amount of money. So all you need to do is just follow the process that I'm going to. Actually, I'll actually create this video in episode. So the next episode will be on how you can be able to create a gig. After now we create a gig, the next thing we can do is optimize. Then we go to creating thumbnails. Then from thumbnails is how you can be able to get your first order on Fiverr. After we get our first order, I'll actually create it as in form of episode, so that you can actually be able to monitor the progress. So it's actually going to be a very simple video. So all you need to do is just subscribe to this channel, so that anytime I upload any video, you'll actually not miss out. So our journey and our goal is to make $110 each and every day. That's all I have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. The next video, I'll be training you on how you can be able to create a gig on Fiverr. That's all. Goodbye.